How's it going? This is Ari once again with another Facebook live stream. Today I decided that I would talk a bit about something a bit different. It's something that I've been noticing over the past few years actually, but I've never really talked about it much on here. But I decided that I would talk about what I believe is one of the biggest red flags that I see many online marketers make. This goes for whether you are in affiliate marketing or network marketing. I've been seeing this quite a lot over the past, like year or two, and I figured I would pretty much just talk about it and pretty much explain why you should avoid doing this particular thing. And it's just something that I feel for me personally, it's a huge red flag, and it pretty much just kills off the trust factor. So whether you are tuning into this live or on a replay, be sure to let me know, and let me know where it is you are tuning in from so I can give you a shout out on here. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and get right into it. So there's this particular training program, this particular, business, I don't want to say business opportunity, I guess it's like this training platform that I've, seen called Wealthy Affiliate. I don't know if any of you guys are familiar with that. If you are, be sure to let me know, in the comments. But something that I've noticed with a lot of the promoters that, promote that company is what they'll do is, you'll read one of their, what they'll do is they'll review a bunch of other sites about making money online. Like a lot of them are network marketing companies or MLMs, and what they'll do is they will oftentimes, without even actually testing the product or the actual business opportunity themselves, they will write a negative review of that particular company. They'll call it a scam, they'll call it a pyramid scheme, and then at the very end of the review, they'll say, hey, well, if you want to find a real way to make money online, click my link here to join, this other one, Wealthy Affiliate. This one is completely free to join, and, you should just join with this instead because it's safer and, all that. But I've been seeing this quite often. Oftentimes, what I see it whenever I go on Google. And if you've ever gone on, Google and you searched for a particular program about making money online, chances are you've probably run into one of the blog posts that, one of these Wealthy Affiliate members make. So if you aren't familiar with Wealthy Affiliate, basically what they teach is they teach you how to, build a website, build a blog, and then you basically, you put up articles, you get them ranked in the search engines, and then you could promote, products in whatever niche you want to promote. So I'm actually going to be completely honest. I'm not here to bash Wealthy Affiliate themselves. What's up, Brandy? Just seeing you tuned in. I actually was a part of it myself at one point. I never actually promoted it, but I have, gone through some of the training that they had. And, I'm not, against it at all, but something that I've seen is that a lot of their members that do promote it is they will, pretty much bash other companies, oftentimes in the network marketing industry, and then they'll just, call them a scam, or, if something is overpriced, they should say, they'll say oh, this is too expensive, and, you should just join Wealthy Affiliate instead, And I personally feel like it's just very misleading, because it pretty much puts in the mind of a lot of visitors, many of these visitors that will be coming to these sites, they are completely new to internet marketing, and they just want to find more information. But what a lot of these people do is they don't actually test the product themselves, and they just write a negative review just for the sake of promoting their other opportunity. And it isn't just Wealthy Affiliate members that do this. I mean, it's promoters of just about any other company regarding making money online. But I tend to see it with Wealthy Affiliate the most, and I just feel like it's just a huge red flag. And I don't think that you should go out of your way to bash another company just for the sake of promoting your thing. I mean, if you want to test out a program and you say you're not a fan of it, you write a full review, and you state why you aren't a fan of it, and then if you want to give your recommendation, I mean, that's one thing. But to completely, bash a company, say it's a scam, say it's a pyramid scheme, that to me is just a huge red flag. And, I personally would never want to, work with someone who does that, Um, so again, I'm not here to bash, the company itself. I mean, if you want to, learn what they teach, you want to follow their strategy, you can, maybe you may consider it an option, but I just personally don't think that it's, a very genuine way of promoting any type of offer online, So anyways, I just thought I'd, put that out there, regardless of what it is you are promoting, do not go out of your way to bash other, affiliate products or any MLM companies like that, because it's just not a genuine way to, really build a business online. And I don't know, I just don't find it very trustworthy in my opinion. But I thought I'd share that. Hopefully you found this helpful. Hopefully you got value out of this. And be sure to let me know in the comments, if you have seen any of these reviews, if you've seen any people, bashing other companies, like what is it what feeling is it that you usually get when you see this? Do you find it, trustworthy, or do you just kind of, I'd be interested to hear, your opinion in the comments below. But anyways, hopefully you enjoyed this live stream, and take care.